My name is Kevin Waters. I own and director of ops of Penobscot Island Air. We're a 135 air taxi operation out of Owl's Head, Maine. This place is all about teamwork and people, both the customers as well as our staff. When you run this business, or be part of the business at whatever level, you really become close with your customers. It's just not the bus driver going from here to there. You get intertwined. It's the goods, the bad, it's the weddings, it's the funerals, it's the, the trials and tribulations that come along with things. These islanders do become family. It's a unique deal, and I take it very personal. Not that you're the only show in town. There's boats, there's other options, but people have supported us, and I feel it's the right way to support them. Really privileged for the crews and for the folks we have, because we have very loyal people and I would do anything for them, and I think that goes the other way around too.
Thank you, Kevin.
Okay, boss. Ryan, thank you, man.
Awesome,
You count, baby. Okay, I'm gonna go do the mail act, so I don't mean to run off on you, but thank you very much for your patience.
Yeah, no.
And everything.
It's been the coolest experience, man. It really has.
Your family. Okay?
Good man.
Okay. God love you.